are learning the safety lateral position, which is a method used for unconscious people that breathe to keep their airways open. So the first thing we're going to do is to check if our victim is unconscious, and if we decided that it's unconscious, we're going to check the breath. If our victim is breathing, we are going to take the glasses off first. Then we are going to adjust the legs and the arms. The arm that is next to us, we're going to put it in a right angle, and the opposite arm, we are going to put it with the back of the hand on the cheek. The opposite leg, we're going to put in a right angle, and we are going to roll over the victim, facing us. We are adjusting the legs, the arm, and the head. Then we are going to check again the breathing.